Tonight, we're highlighting a local church making a difference with a mission that started last year. 1 in 3 Arkansas families struggle to provide diapers for their children. Last April, Pulaski Heights United Methodist Church chose to answer that call and opened the Central Arkansas Diaper Bank. It's a free community resource that's open to anyone in Central Arkansas. What initially started as just a one-time diaper drive has expanded.
We are currently serving approximately 100 families per month, and that need has grown greater in the last couple of months, and I expect the need to increase as the awareness of this program continues to become greater.
And because of the difference they are making, they are tonight's Spirit of Arkansas Rainwater Holton Sexton Award winner. Throughout the month of September, you can drop off diaper donations at any Central Arkansas Edwards Food Giant and Edwards Cash Saver location, or at the Pulaski Heights United Methodist Church.
I don't have any internet.